Hi, this is Heath Phelps of Texas Pressure Washing Store, and today we're going to be talking about the gas station demo that we did yesterday, actually. And so we took our four degreasers, Oilzilla, Citrus Oil Buster, Purple Earth Cleaner, and Roughneck Cleaner, and we demoed them on the concrete of the gas station. Funny enough, the owner was there, and we had his permission to demo these things. They were very happy with the results, and what we landed was actually the canopy on the gas station and the building. We'd previously cleaned the building 18 months ago, and it was starting to show a little green, so the owner decided he wanted it to be done. And when he walked out, he said, "You can clean the building anytime you want. What's the price?" I told him the price for $300 because we're just spraying three sides of the building. It's not very dirty, and we'd be in and out in about 30 minutes. For the canopy, I told him the price was $1,000. He said, "Oh, that's a little high. I don't want to pay that." And I said, "Well, explain to him what we're doing." And so we ended up negotiating, and we're doing the canopy and the building for $11 and rinsing off the islands. No surface cleaning. They're painted, just rinsing and spraying some chemicals on them. We're still negotiating on the concrete. He's unsure. He told me the rain will wash it off. And I was like, well, the rain's not going to make it look like we demoed this area. And he was like, okay, you're right. We'll think about it. However, the demo was for us, but we landed this job at $1,100. Um, all of the degreasers worked very well. We were pretty impressed with all of them, especially having cleaned several gas stations. For canopies, on average, we charge $1,000 for a canopy minimum, and this was a three-island canopy. If it would have been a four-island canopy, which we did in Dallas, I would have charged $1,200 per canopy. We did six of those with two trucks in about 6 hours, including drive time, and we made $7,800 on that ticket. So it was extremely good money on that. Demos work. Often corporate won't let you demo. They want to be ready to accept an estimate, and that's when the demos can take place. So you just have to reach out to businesses and things like that and try and get the demos set up for that. I hope that helps, and on to the next project.